Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC, prepare for tomorrow, guys, because tomorrow will be one of those days that we see, every so often, while we go through all this choppiness, all this volatility, where we see a crazy, crazy green day that come out of nowhere and people be lost, wondering like, I thought the market's supposed to be, bad, and where's the green coming from? Those type of days, just as we had seen on last week, the week before, how we got those crazy green days, and just for the market to go right back down even harder, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. See the catalyst, what we got coming, what's going to help push the market up tomorrow, why my opinion on the market tomorrow is very bullish. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So AMC ended on Friday at $12.40. down over 6.5%, guys. So on tomorrow, we is expecting some get back for the market due to the fact that we did end it badly on Friday. And I do believe the market, even if it wants to push down lower and lower, it's not just going to do it all in one instance, all in one fold. It's going to try to play psychological games with you, spike up, push up, just to go right back down, spike up, push up, just to go right back down a few times, guys. So going into tomorrow, what makes me, a little more bullish is the fact that Amazon, one of the reasons, is having a stock split 20-for-1. And for the ones that don't know what a stock split is, guys, it's basically just splitting the pie up into 20 different pieces. So if you own one share of Amazon now for $2,400 plus a share, on Monday you will receive 20 shares of Amazon for your one share, but your 20 shares will only be worth $122 per share, which will equal to your same $2,400 plus that you have invested in Amazon now. And if you have 10 shares, same on. So you get it, guys. That's exactly what the stock split is. And now many may be wondering, well, is this a good thing or is it a bad thing? Why is they doing this? So usually companies do this in order to get more of the retail investors ready to invest in their stock. They'll have a stock split, basically making the share price look significantly less cheaper than what it actually is. So the masses, the retail investors, will be able to afford it. At $2,400 a share, not too many retail investors coming in the game able to acquire Amazon share. And they don't really know about fractional share buying, and so they won't really be, getting it. But if they see Amazon for $122, that's going to, make them jump on it like hotcakes. Now, if you see a reverse stock split, and 9 times out of 10, when a company do a stock split, that company is doing well, and everything is good. Everything, the fundamentals, everything is still intact with that company, guys. So on the other hand, whenever you see a reverse stock split, that's when you want to get scared. That's when the company isn't doing as good, and they trying to make it seem as if they are. Their company may be trading at $10 a share, and they want to do a reverse stock split and do a 1 for 10. So they give their customers, their shareholders, they give them 10 shares for their 1 share, making their 10 shares more valuable than their 1 share. Not more valuable, it's going to equal out to be the same thing. But, they'll give you 10 shares for your 1 share that costs $10. But that 10 shares they gave you is now, no, my bad, guys. See, I'm trying to explain this, you don't get my head all. They'll give you the goddamn 1 share for your 10 shares. When they give you your 1 share, that 1 share be worth like $100. And the 10 shares will be worth $10 a piece. And that 1 share is now worth $100. So new people that's buying in, they looking like, dang, did this stock just go from 10 to 100? They don't know the company just did a reverse stock split. They'll think that's looking good, but really in the reverse stock split, the stock split make it look as the company ain't doing as good as it really is doing. And the reverse stock split will make, to the people that don't really know what's going on, or make the company look like they doing better than what they actually doing. Say if a company, because a reverse stock split, the company can go from 10 to 100. The stock split, the company can go from 2,400 to 122. So, it looked like the other company is doing better, but in reality, they is doing terrible. And they want you to seem as if they, you know, they really need help. That's why they're doing the reverse stock split, guys. So hope that sums it up. I, you know, messed up right there at the beginning. I got to keep it rolling though, guys. Just trying to explain that, having my thoughts already 1,000 miles ahead. But anyways, guys, like I say, that is also, you know, a major factor that's going into tomorrow, because I do believe retail is going to come rushing in like ever before, seeing that $122 Amazon share price, guys. Unless something, you know, significant happen in the morning, some type of news come out that caused the market to go back down, I think the market is going to be very bullish tomorrow, guys, and that's one of the reasons. So we know Amazon is the, you know, biggest company out there. So that being said, one of the biggest companies out there is definitely going to have a huge impact with all these retail investors coming in to eat up those shares. Also, we got the fact that we know Bitcoin, these markets right now is moving in sync. Crypto, the stock market, meme stocks, they all moving in sync. And which actuality, they should actually be running on different frequencies. Big crypto market usually do its own thing. The stock market usually is going to do its own thing, and meme stocks going to run in the opposite direction of the overall stock market, before we, you know, being running in the same direction for them for the past longest now. But anyways, with that being said, you see now, if you've been paying attention to your crypto, Bitcoin just broke out over 30,000, and then it shot over 31,000. And guess what? Bitcoin got a major resistance at $32,100. If Bitcoin breaks over 32,100, Bitcoin could fly straight off to $35,000, $36,000, guys. I don't believe this is going to sustain itself as well, but we're going to take advantage of the meat of the move. While Bitcoin is pushing up, it's going to help push up the overall market as well. And when it does, we're going to be riding it up, taking advantage, and ready to hit our sell point and sell off once we hit our resistance, just to rinse and repeat as it come back down. Because like I say, guys, I do still believe Bitcoin have a nice, you know, it already took a nice crash down well over 50% when it came down to 29,000, then 25,000. So it already had a big crash, but I still do believe it's going to shake a little bit more people out before it see that real reversal, guys. And when it run back up, it's going to run hard. But I do believe Bitcoin come down to test that 2018 all-time high of $20,000, guys. So, you know, but I'm looking at what we got going for us going into tomorrow and what's in front of us now. And right now, I believe, you know, the overall market, crypto is about to push up hard for a moment. So you definitely want to be taking advantage of the ride up, guys. Just to ride it up until we reach our resistance, sell off, rinse and repeat until the market decides it wants to turn around, guys. So you already know, be looking for AMC to run up tomorrow as well, if everything play in our favor how I'm expecting it to, guys. So you already know what to do. Add me over there on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.